What makes you want to buy something from someone? Even if I am selling exactly what you wanted, you still need to like me. You still need to trust me. And you need to be reminded every day that I have the product that can solve your problem. Possibly even change your life.
The biggest mistake that most business accounts are making on Instagram is that they are not connecting with their audience. Each post and every post thereafter is a product. Their entire feed is filled with product shots. There's no life to it. It looks like a lifeless catalog. Very few people will want to follow them and to be told to buy their product 24/7. Now let's take a look at a good example. We all know the Red Bull energy drink, right? So let's check out their Instagram profile. As we scroll through their feed, there is something weird going on. There is not a single product shot. It's all videos of extreme sports. And there lies the secret of a good business profile.
I hope I don't hurt your feelings when I say this, but nobody really cares about your product. People only care about the lifestyle that your product will provide them. Lifestyle. That's a key word.
Red Bull is saying that if you buy their energy drink, you will have enough energy to have an exciting life. I don't care about Red Bull, but I care about an exciting life. So instead of constantly promoting your product, promote the lifestyle of your brand. If you're selling fitness equipment, instead of posting only your products, consider the lifestyle of your customers who uses your product. Maybe they're chilling at the beach playing volleyball. If you are selling makeup or cosmetic products, instead of just products, consider the lifestyle of the women who now have the confidence to be social. If you have a local restaurant business, instead of just still shots of your restaurant, consider the lifestyle of the people who eat there. Are they celebrating a birthday or an anniversary?
If you focus on lifestyle instead of just products, visitors will want to follow you because they want that lifestyle. They don't know that they want your product yet, but they do know that they want the life that you're promising them.
Once you have targeted followers who likes your niche, how do you sell your products to them? The second business strategy is the triple VO rule, which is value, 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 and offer rule. This means 3/4 of your posts are nothing but value, and 1/4 of your posts is a good offer to buy your product. If you are selling fishing equipment, your first post could be about how to fish in different seasons. The second could be where the best location for fishing is. The third could be what's the best bait to use. And the fourth? Hey, I need equipment to fish, right? Why not try your special equipment? If you are selling makeup brushes, your first post could be about how to take care of your skin. The second could be what kind of makeup design is best for what shape of eye. The third could be what makeup material is best for the skin and lasts the longest. And the fourth? Hey, I need a brush to apply the makeup, right? Why not try your special brush? Notice what you're doing. You are, with each post, slowly convincing your followers that you are an expert. You know what you're talking about. That is how to get people to trust your brand.
Okay, you have the promises of a great lifestyle. You have their trust. But we're not done yet. We still need your customers to like you.
Let's say you want a sandwich for dinner. You worked hard all day and you deserve a good, tasty sandwich. A goofy clown comes up to you and offers you the Big Mac. It's on sale, 2 for $5. A creepy king comes up to you and offers you a Whopper. It's buy one, get one free. Then an ordinary looking guy comes up and say, I know you worked all day. Me too. But it's unhealthy to eat such a heavy meal for dinner. Try my Subway sandwiches. It's healthier for you and it's still tasty. If you don't like it, you can always go get those burgers tomorrow.
You might be a super burger lover, but if someone comes up to you and he understands what you're going through and he has your best interest in mind, you can't help but like him. The quickest way to get someone to like you is to be relatable. Personable.
That's why Jared, the spokesperson for Subway sandwiches, had a 16-year advertisement campaign. His advertisements was so successful and made Subway so much money. He was telling the story of someone who lost 245 pounds by eating at Subway twice a day. He is someone a fast food customer can relate to. You can't help but want to try Subway every now and then if you're trying to lose some weight. This is why your brand must be personable. It must be relatable to your target audience. Your posts should always have the theme, I understand you. I know your hopes and fears. Stay following me and I promise to continue to help you. This is also why the best business accounts don't even look like business accounts. You see people, you see real faces of people using and having the time of their life with the product. Or you see the owner, the CEO, educating people about their specialty. And if the person is good, they will also bring you into their world and give you education, entertainment, inspiration, behind the scenes, and community content.
You gave them the promises of your special lifestyle. They trust you and they like you. Now, the final business strategy is to get their personal information and take them out of Instagram.
Remember, Instagram is just an app. It's a place where your followers are housed. You don't own the followers, and if you want to contact them, you will have to go through the Instagram app. This is why many smart businesses are constantly asking their followers to click the link in their bio. They want to take you to their website and provide them with your email address so that they can contact you with more value and offer anytime they want. That is exactly what you should be doing as a small business owner. You need to create value on both your Instagram profile and your blog. And you need to remind your followers that you have more content and even free stuff on your blog if they will provide you with their email address. Once you have their email address, the triple VO rule still applies. You are still providing value emails, and every once in a while, you send your email list a good offer. Here are the action items for this episode. If you want to sell someone something, you need to do 3 things. First, you need to convince them that you have the lifestyle that they want, and your product will help them get there. That's why your Instagram profile cannot be filled with product shots, but the lifestyle people will have when using your product. Second, you need to get people to trust you. That's why you have to post valuable information that proves you are the expert in your field. Third, you need to get people to like you. That's done by being real, being relatable, having the customer's best interest in mind. And fourth, you don't own any of your followers. Instagram does. You need to once in a while convince your followers to give you their email address so that you can provide them value on your own terms.
Promises of a special lifestyle. Getting people to trust and like you. That is the secret of making the sale. And do you know what happens when people like you and your products? You have a profitable community.